full of liquor, then we die. In it, pull him to the side, let me slide. In it.
Once again, calling on Gwen, Rachel Ann, Mitch, Shakira, Aliyah, and Aliana. Please join us here on stage, and each one will share a heartfelt message for our celebration.
Happy birthday, Ate. Sana araw-araw kayo masaya. Sana, mabuti mo yung ganda ni Kylie Jenner. Stay healthy and happy birthday, Ate. Happy birthday, Ate. Sana, stay healthy.
Wow, sinati po ni si Krista. Tingnan mo naman ang tangkad niyan. Grabe naman yan, Jen. Gandang babae. Kaya nga, ang tangkad. Ang ganda pa ng height.
Gaano na
Para
sa
lang-
skulin, di ba? Ha?
Modeling? Oh?
Happy birthday, Ate Rachel.
Di para lang kayo magkapatid yan, Jen.
Allah, good and always. Tapos, stay pretty and smart.
Gobe! Kamu, para Amerikana? Hindi talaga nagbago mukha niya, no? Mula nung bata siya, no? Siya lang nag-makeup niya? Oh? Ayun siya. Oh. Mula nung bata talaga siya, hindi nagbago, no?
Strong and
Sa
independent
Bombay.
woman.
No? Naglimo ba yan sa unan? As kumot, naniningil yung Bombay mo.
I hope this year brings you endless joy, unforgettable memories, and everything you've been wishing for.
Nahulit.
Alright, thank you very much for the first set of eating gifts. Please join us for a group photo.
Akala tama yan sa katawan niya yung height. Pangit naman pagpayat siya. Kasi pagpayat, yan, ganyan katawan pwede na. Pero pag pumayat kasi siya,
So our 18 guests, please stand by as we will be having one big group photo later on after all of our messages. Please make sure to give your gift to our celebrant before leaving the stage. Calling on our next set of 18 guests, Bea Garachico, Ben Estilore, Micaela Ocon, with Alexander Louis Dagaas, Gian Emerson Llano, and Jade Adrian Barreto. Once again, calling on our next set of 18 guests, please share your heartfelt message with our celebrant. Calling on Bea, Ben, Mika, Will Alexander, Gian, and Jade.
wow, later. Okay, later, okay?
Nag-picture na sila?
Hindi pa rin. Sabi niya, nagbigay na daw ng gift. Bakit yung gift daw niya hindi pa sinama? Later, you're the one to give, okay? Later. And later, hindi yun na talking. You give lang. Thank you sa Christian.
Happy birthday, Aisha. Enjoy your
Happy birthday, Tisha. Minsan pa, pag dumadaan ka sa feed ko, sa IG, sa stories ko, isa-isip ko, paano ko nga sabihin ganyan mo? Sa ilog mo. Super happy birthday, and I wish you all the good things in life. And nagkita ko sa kanila.
Tulog under.
Happy 80th birthday, Tisha. Thank you so much for allowing me to be part of your 80th birthday celebration. And I hope that you achieve everything that you wish for your life. And my gift, ever since you became classmate, I always adore your lips. And my gift is something that you can use to keep your lips shining and good. Thank you so much. Happy birthday, Tisha. Thank you for inviting us here to do so. I hope that to make you happy since your bias love is already and this is an making that energy for you. So it's giving make you happy. So happy birthday and thank you.
Happy birthday, Krisha. Actually, hindi ko talaga alam yung sabihin. Kasi parang yung interaction lang natin. Pero yung gift ko is parang like the things. Ano, first day pa lang ng classmates, birthday guys, thank you guys. Kasi that was really unique. Kaya
That is true.
so yung gift kasi
Eating water.
parang unique guys.
Krisha, happy birthday. Wala, sobrang surprise talaga ako na invite mo kasi magkalayo tayo ng upuan. Diba? This way to doon ng dating ko. Gift ko sa'yo ay sana na, ay topikala ko. Sana magkasya sa'yo and congratulations.
Alright, thank you very much for our second set of 18 gifts. Please join us on stage for a group photo. Kindly stand by once again to all our 18 gifts. We will be having one big group photo after all of the messages.
Stay there.
For our next set of 18 gifts, kindly prepare Ira Alexis Laura, Trisha Joyce Agpon, John David Delamoy, Tita Evelyn Baximen, Ate Lovely Mancha, and LJ Noctadro.
Wow, it's your turn. It's your turn to shine. Yeah.
Alright, once again, calling on our last set of 18
Last na daw, last. Baka mahuli ka.
messages. Calling on Ira Alexis Lara, Trisha Joyce, John David, Tita Evelyn, Ate Lovely,
Aba, gusto mo mapatawag ulit.
Happy 18th birthday, Krisha. I wish that you will enjoy your special day with your family, relatives, and friends. And I also hope that as you enter the adulthood era, I hope you fulfill your dreams and you achieve your goals, every goals you wanted to in life. Lastly, stay authentic and unique. Again, happy 18th birthday.
Happy 18th birthday, Krisha. We hope each other's kindergarten, and it's always been fun sharing the same with you. Wishing you a lovely, happy birthday and a year filled with happiness and joy. I just want to say happy 18th birthday. I'm grateful that you've invited me and that I wish you good health, more opportunities, and blessings. And
Good evening, everyone. Hi, Ate. Happy 18th birthday. Sana matapos yung pag-aaral mo para to repay mo din yung paghirap ng magulang mo. And then stay good, girl. Ang ganda mo. Ang mitis mo, ngayon hindi ka naman pa 8 years ago. Okay, so thank you, Tita Ian and Tita Robert for inviting us first time. And then, sana enjoy ka. And then, gift ko for you. Magpatid ka na lang, hindi ko alam. Thank you.
happy birthday, Krisha. Wishing all of you to day full of love and happiness. Mag-aaral ka na mabuti. And proud na proud sa'yo, mama and papa mo. Yun lang, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Krisha. Ano sabi na nila lahat eh. Basta lagi na lang maganda.
Yeah, sino man doon nagkaputi?
Thank you very much to
Tapan
our
ni mo
last
nakon.
set of 18 gifts.
Si ano
I
to?
now invite them to please
Atong
join
gitapan
us
ni mo
for a
nakon
photo
ganun ang si ano?
opportunity. So once again, after this group photo, we'll be having one big group
Close na kami na
photo
dun.
with all of our
Basta
18
close na,
gifts.
close ka
So
na.
after this group photo,
Yan, yan,
calling
yan.
on back on
Close na
stage,
kami na dun.
Gwen Andrea, Rachel Ann,
Hindi mo pa nakilala.
Mitch, Shakira,
Hindi mo pa nakilala.
Aliyah, Aliana, Bea,
Close na lang
Ben,
agad.
Mika, Alexander, Gian, and Jane Adrian. our 18 gifts. Gwen, Rachel, Mitch, Shakira, Aliyah, Aliana, Bea, Ben, Mika, Alexander, Gian, and Jade.
Night and day, it rained the whole day till on Sunday. I'm waiting for a shining day. Might be singing, might be murmur, might be love letters. Even if the rain might